So here we are, we're on the Norwegian Star. We're in Suite 10002. So once you come on in, and we first walk in, oops, sorry for that. You've got a vanity area here with a mirror. We have a closet that I will show you on the other side. It's the back entrance to the closet. A little chair, a little coffee station, and tea maker. You've got the king-size bed. You've got a table with 2 chairs. We have a little love seat. And then here is another vanity area. And there are a bunch of drawers that you can store stuff in. And then through here is this closet area. So when we open the doors, we have a decent closet area. We've got cubbies. And then on this side, we've got dual cabinets. This one has the safe and has some shelving above it. In here, you've got 2 additional cubes. And then on the bottom, you've got 3 drawers. Behind the closet door is a vanity area. And there's a little stool and some more cupboards. Next, we're walking to the bathroom. And here, you've got a separate water closet. You've got the vanity with a single sink, and then over here we've got a tub shower combination. And then we are going to go to the area that has the best view of all. So here's the door. We're going out to the deck, and as you can see, I walk through and it actually has like this huge Nautilus ship door that you have to open, but take a look at the balcony. So the balcony is probably the best part of this suite, and there's the hubby hanging out at the corner looking out over the view. Currently we're in port in Miami, and so I'll do a quick little 360. That's the Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas that's facing us directly, and then as you can see, we've got this wonderful view. There's 2 loungers, the entrance. Here's 2 additional chairs with cushions. And then we're back out to our view. So that's our room tour of Suite 10002 on the Norwegian Star.